Today's Perkins engines are marvels of technology, but they still need service, maintenance, and occasional repair. That's where the Perkins My Engine app puts even more power in the palm of your hand. It's a digital logbook for your engine, safely stored within your smartphone or tablet device. With service reminders, logs, parts lists and instructions, access to service, operation and maintenance manuals, plus a complete parts book for your engine, quick access to your Perkins distributor, online parts ordering in many areas, and a wealth of engine information, including hours run. You can even give each engine a custom name for easier reference. And that's only the beginning, because the app also lets you share information across your whole organisation with complete control over who sees what, so every team member has the same overview of your fleet. The Perkins My Engine app is a powerful management tool, as advanced as your Perkins engines. And it's free to download from the Apple or Google App Stores.